The Chefman MicroCrisp Microwave Oven stands out by pairing standard microwave heating with a high-powered crisping element that actually browns and crisps leftovers instead of leaving them soft. Its dedicated cook and crisp modes work especially well for foods like pizza, fries, and chicken, delivering a texture that feels much closer to a conventional oven than a typical microwave. The touch control panel and clearly labeled presets make everyday tasks like reheating, defrosting, and popping popcorn straightforward, so you are not constantly guessing at times and power levels. Despite its relatively compact footprint on the counter, the interior capacity is generous enough for full dinner plates and medium-sized dishes, making it practical for small kitchens or dorm spaces. Thoughtful extras such as a quiet mode for alerts, a child safety lock, and an easy-to-clean interior show that the design takes real-life household use into account. Build quality feels solid with a stainless steel accented exterior, and the combination of microwave and crisping power means this single appliance can often replace both a basic microwave and a small oven for reheating.